Your first conference presentation can be intimidating, and most people never hear the things that actually matter. Here are the 4 insights nobody tells you that make it much easier. Nobody reads your slides. Slides are not your script. People listen to you and glance at the slides for support. If they're reading instead of listening, you're losing them. Keep it simple. Max 15 words per slide. Questions aren't attacks. Tough questions usually mean people found your work interesting. It's completely fine to say, "Great question. I don't know yet." That shows honesty, not weakness. Time flies. Your 15 minutes will feel like 5. Practice slower than you think you need to, and build a 2-minute buffer. Never skip your conclusion. Networking happens in hallways. Your talk introduces you, but real connections happen during breaks. Approach people whose work you cited. Specific compliments open doors. Your first presentation is a learning experience, not a performance test. Prepare well, trust yourself, and grow from it. For supportive academic conferences, check out conference2go.com and subscribe for more research advice.